Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up now, do not delay. Export the full database and download WP content. This preserves uploads, plugins, and custom CSS. Once done, clone the site to a staging environment or a local stack so you can test safely. Make a note of child theme files and any custom functions. PHP edits. These are the parts most likely to be overwritten. While you're saving files, document the active theme version and active plugin list for quick rollback if needed. On staging, switch off caching and optimization plugins so you see real results. Install the theme update there first and then compare the child theme and custom template files line by line. You're checking for overwritten hooks or removed filters. Test common user journeys, login, checkout, form submissions, and responsive layouts. If a plugin conflicts, isolate it by reactivating one at a time. Record any code changes you must carry back to production and prepare a changelog for the rollout. Deploy the tested update during a low-traffic window. First, take another backup. Put the live site into maintenance mode, push the updated theme and any child theme merges, then clear server, plugin, and CDN caches. Verify key pages, forms, and mobile layout. Check error logs for PHP notices. If something breaks, restore the backup immediately or enable WP debug and view logs to pinpoint the issue. You can then apply the specific fixed files from staging rather than rolling back entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.